Namaskar. Hi people. Uh, I'm Pravesh Pradhan and I belong to a small town, beautiful town from Darjeeling. Today I'm here to tell you about the spirituality. Okay, why I'm choosing this topic is because I'm in this field from at the age of 13. I was there. I'm at this field. Okay, and now I'm 32. It's been a long time. I'm here, so I'm not saying that I know all the spirituality. Okay, but what I'm trying to say is that I'd love to share something which I know about the spirituality. Okay, so this is my first video, guys. Okay, so I'm uploading it to YouTube. So please, guys, if it goes good, then I'm explaining you the different stages or facts or which whatever I know about the spirituality. Okay, so this is my first effort. Hope everyone likes it. I hope you'll share it. Okay, and this is the thing which I'm going to tell you. Okay, now first of all, everyone is seeking for a spirituality or a peace. Okay, everyone wants to know what is a spirituality, and there are plenty of videos which you will find it in a YouTube. Okay, so the simple thing, okay, I would like to explain you in the simple way what actually is spirituality. Okay, so first, there are various fields of science. Okay, there are various fields of science, and I'd love to explain you the spirituality in a form of science because it will be very helpful for you all to know. Okay, so what I'd love to say is that there are various fields of science. Okay, whatever the section they study, according to that, okay, the name is given. For example, if you study animals, okay, then that is called a zoology. Okay, if you study plants, then it's a botany. If you study microbes, then that is a microbiology. If you study a pathogen, that is a pathology. Okay, so there is a various fields of science. In later days, science doesn't believe that the body consists of something which is known as a spirit or a soul, but nowadays they have started to believe that there is something which is known as a soul. Okay, so now the body they have deflected into three sections. Okay, one is the body with heart, kidney, lungs, DNA, serum, plasma, everything comes on a body first, and after that there is a second section which is known as a mind. Okay, and third one is a soul. Now they have put that section into one science, which is, as far as my information I know, I don't know what they are what the study actually is about, but the thing which I know about this is that this section of study is known as a cognitive science. Okay, they have started researching on this. Okay, soul also. Now, actually, what is a spirituality? Okay, what is a spirituality is a very simple thing. I'll give you a simple example. I think it will clarify the thought about a spirituality. Okay, just let's take a example of a bike. Okay, let's take an example of a Pulsar bike 220. Let's take an example. Okay, now just imagine the bike, which just imagine a Pulsar 220. Now that whole body is a body. Okay, understood? That just imagine that is a body. Okay, now another thing, the person who rides the bike is a mind. Okay, is a mind. And the third one, which is a neglected portion, is known as a energy or the fuel. Okay, that is a soul. Okay, now how important is the soul is that you have got a very good bike and you are a very stunner or a rider, but what happens, your bike doesn't have a fuel, it doesn't work. Okay, so everyone wants to know about the spirituality, but the thing is that the spirituality being very important is being neglected because the people features on the bikes looks and all, because we have become extrovert. Okay, but the fact of the soul or the spirituality goes introvert. Okay, that's why the spirituality nowadays has become important, but the people doesn't have an idea about the spirituality is because of that. The people loves to be what to call fancy, good looking, everything comes under the extrovert version, but introvert is the spirituality which is very true, peaceful and silent. Okay, that's why there is one phrase, it is said that spirituality actually is a very important. Okay, that's why there is one phrase, it is said that bhakti bina ki, that means without a spirituality, bhakti bina ki जीवन ऐसी, lavan bina ki व्यंजन जैसी. Okay, which means if you cook a various foods, okay, you cook a various foods, okay, various different good foods, okay, good vegetables and all, Okay, but what if you forgot to put the salt? It will be a tasteless. Similarly, you make a great life. Okay, see, what I'm trying to say is that the misconcept, the human misconcept is very, very much what to call. It's a very, very pathetic thing. Okay, just like my grandfather was there. Okay, once he was the owner of this land, and he used to say, "My land. This is my land." No, he is not there. Now my father is saying that this is my land. After some time, I'll say this is my land. So if this land was grandfather's land, then it would have been transferred to it would have gone with grandfather only, no, because that was his land. Or if that was my father's land, it would go with father only. If that would be mine, then it would go with me also. But it's there only. So this is a virtual misconcept because of the lacking of spirituality. So spirituality helps us to see the world what it is in its actual form. Okay, so this is my first video with a small effort trying to tell you about the spirituality. In upcoming videos, if you like it, if you think that I'm quite good enough to explain you in a form of science, relating with the science, there are very beautiful things about the spirituality which I know, okay, and I'd love to share it. And all the YouTubers, in the initial only, they say please subscribe this channel, like this, comment this. Okay, I'm telling you at the end, if you think that I have some potential to tell you about the spirituality, please, I beg you, I beg you, okay, like my channel, subscribe my channel. Okay, it's a explore, not only spirituality. There are many things, places which are quite spiritual, and till now it's not been revealed. Okay, so in upcoming videos I'll reveal that places also. Okay, that is my promise to you all. Okay, so if you have gotten any queries on spirituality, you can just tell me also. Okay, so in upcoming video I'll definitely solve your problems regarding spirituality. Any comments you have, please comment it in the comment section. Thank you very much. Namaste.